everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 19 of loving my minis in February. I am working really hard on trying to get rid of as many minis as possible. I have a bunch and I've been doing really good destashing them since December. And I just keep going each month. I'm definitely doing March, and I kind of would like to do it the rest of the year just to see if I can get through the rest of my minis, or just do it until they're gone. And then I'll just get more, but that's okay. So we have day 19, and we have our $8. I'm having fun. This month I am using the dashboard and prop coins from Kimmy's Corner. You can find them on her Ko-fi, and I will always have her linked below. And we have our $8 we just put in there. We'll get our $8 worth of prop coins. If you saw my video yesterday, you heard my story on how I hurt my finger. I'm filming 2 videos back to back, so it still hurts, and I still am looking forward to icing it later. Okay, so we are going to start at number 7. We finished a couple yesterday. I think we had one that we were just 25 cents away, so we should finish that one today, which is exciting. So let's see what we can do. 1 for number 7. 2 for number 8. So how are you doing today? How's your week been? 1, 2, and 3 for number 1. 1, 2, and 3 for number 2. Yay, 3 for number 3. Wow, 3 for number 4. We're on a roll here. 1, 2, 3 for number 5. Okay. 2 for number 6. 1 for number 7. 2 for number 8. Go back to 1. And we have 2 for 1. We still have 2 left. Okay, 2 will get 1, and then that means 3 will get 1, and we will start on 4 tomorrow. All right. All right, so let's see what we got going on here. So we have 50, 25, and 25 for $1. So we have $1.50 going into number 1. This one is from Margie at the Budget Evolution. So we can do 50 and 1. So we can finish the second row and do the full third row. All right, $1.25 more, and this one will be done for Margie at the Budget Evolution. She has really fun travel challenges. If you need any, go check out her. First, check out her YouTube, but definitely check out her Etsy. So we have $1.25 in this one, it looks like. Into number 2. This one only needed 50 cents. All right, so we'll put that back. Let's color in these 2 circles. This one's from 4 Dizzy Birds. Yay, we finished one. Woohoo! All right, so I'm going to set that there, and we have 75 cents that can go into another one. Oop, I have 2. All right, this one is from Stuff and Budget. So we have 4, 4, 3, 4. Okay, so I X'd out those 2. So fill out the rest, and it'll save us $4. So we can do 3 letters of July. Oops. Darn it, I got carried away. I put my teeny tiny X up there, so I should know. And I didn't finish coloring it in. So, all right, so we have our cute July one from Candy at Stuff and Budget. That will go in there. I always get carried away with the coloring. All right, so 3 got $1. And let's see what this one is. Oh, this one is the one that needed 25 cents. So this one is $2 that we got from Vicky Thinks. So I can put that there. This one can go there. So we have 75 cents going into a new one. Pull back here. This is from Becca Budget 777. I think I need a new marker. This one's starting to run dry. So let's do green. So I can do 3 leaves. I stopped at 3. I did really good this time. All right, so 3 has one from Becca. That'll save us $6. That's a good one. All right, so number 4 got $1. And this one is from Becca Budget 777, and we only needed 75 cents. We can put that 75 cents away. Oh my gosh, we're finishing 3 so far. All right, so that's $5. So we have 25 more cents. Let's see. We have another one of these. Okay, we have another one from Save with Jason from Spooky Budgets. So let's use our green one with this one, and we will just mark off 1 Jason. Okay, and then put that back. And then number 5 got 75 cents. And this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. All right, so 3 more circles colored in for that. Okay, and then number 6. Number 6 got 50 cents. And this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. We're shifting gears with colors. So, all right, so this will save us 4. Okay, and then number 7 got 75 cents. And this one is from Our Beautiful Budgets. So we can do 25, 50, and 75. And then last but not least, we have 50, 25, 25 for $1, $1.25 going into number 8. Oh, just shy. We're 25 cents off. Perfect. So that one we should finish tomorrow as well. So let's put this away. We had a good day today, though, that's for sure. Go back to the front. Let's put our prop coins away. Oops, let's see what we need first. All right, so we have 5, 4, and 2. So that's 9, 10, 11. So we have $11 that we need. So 2 5s and a 1. And we'll put $11 in our completed. And then we have 3 challenges that we get to put into here. And like I said, I cannot wait to see how many we complete. That's amazing. All right, day 19 done. Thank you guys again so much for being here. I really appreciate it. I love how much you guys love this. I love doing this. So I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.